Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I'd like to share a short workflow of using this UiTM MOOC intro video in your teaching video if you were to use Canva. Right, so I have this cover slide set up for Canva and I'm going to do, say, a very short teaching video. So what I do now is I go to uploads here and I can then go to record myself. Okay, record myself and say allow Canva. This is on Safari, so it depends on your website because Canva is a website-based, web-based graphic editor. But it's really easy to use. That's why I'm creating this module for you. So just go and start recording. Okay. So hi, I'm going to record my video, my teaching video, and then you can always save or record another one if you want to, and save and back to editing or discard recording. I'm going to now save and back to editing. Editing means we're going back. So hi. So you can see that it goes straight away into that slide. So if you're going to move on to the second slide, you record again. So it's very similar to a PowerPoint, creating a narrated slides or movie in PowerPoint. So you do it like per slide. So then you can edit accordingly. If you want to have the whole video to cover the slide, it's fine. I'm going to put it somewhere. Okay, it's fine. Let's go back to here. So now say I'm going to move on to the second slide. I'm going to go like this. Okay. Okay, let's start again. So here I have only one point on this slide. And you can continue if you want to save and record another one. I'm going to save and back to editing so I can enter. So here I have only one point. All right. Then add in my video here. All right. So what's wonderful about Canva is that with a video on this for each slide, you can then edit further, make it a bit fun in Canva using elements. So I'm going to head to elements now. And in here, you scroll down. Let me see. This is a part that I really want to show to you. You can go to frames. Well, there's a lot of different shapes in frames. All right, circle, this really organic shape. What else? Mobile phone. Yeah. Let's do not an off shape a bit. I think it looks really fun. So I'm going to click on this shape and perhaps I'll put it somewhere here. Oh, there. Okay, let's just do somewhere there. That this shape sort of complements the shape at the back here. And I'm going to bring this movie or video into that shape, release. Okay. Right, so I've done the two slides just to give you an idea of how you can do a teaching video in Canva. Now, when you finish doing everything, I'm going to go up here and add a new page. And then I can probably pull up again the drawer, bring it to the front. So I have now a new page in my slide presentation. So I have these two slides that I've made earlier. One, just to show you, this is a really simple recording, a square or rectangle. This is a second recording, which is now I have combined the elements and also the video recording for the second slide. That looks nicer to me. Okay, now let's add in the intro video. So I'm going to head to my file here, and I like this one. I'm gonna just drop it into Canva. That's nice. And I'm going to click, just right click, yeah, and go down to the bottom. It says set video as background. Okay, to check whether it's working, let's do that. Good. Then I can move on to my slide here.
Okay. So
and then
here I have only 1 point on the.
Okay, cool. Right, so the next step is to download the slides with the intro video of UiTM MOOC, with the slide that you have the recording, teaching slides that you have your recording in here, and as an MP4. Yeah? So let's go to this downward arrow. Going to go to MP4, high quality, yeah, and going to select the page. So I'm going to just download 3 slides with only the recordings. And for your information, the shorter it is, the smaller the recording, or the shorter the recording, the easier. Also depends on your internet connection, but it's much easier to download from Canva, because Canva depends on your internet connectivity. So I'm going to click done, and let's just download it. Okay, right, it should be. Yep, now if you see that's the slides, and it's saved as MP4. Let's play it.
Okay, so on this slide, I just want to show.
Fantastic. And then you can upload to YouTube, or ask your team leader to upload to YouTube for your MOOC, yeah? And then you can then add the link into your MOOC in your future. Hope that you find the tutorial helpful. If you want to use the UiTM MOOC intro video in your teaching video, from the video you can see that it's really easy to just drag and drop a video into Canva. As long as it's quite small, then it should be fine. You don't have to know how to do editing on your computer. You can just simply drag and drop a video intro into the first slide and download the slides as a video. It's very similar to a PowerPoint workflow. Alright, so thank you for watching. I see you in the next video tutorial.